Doctor, can you help me? It really hurts when I touch my shoulder.
Then don't touch it. That'll be $50.
What? No, I mean I broke it in 3 places.
Well, then don't go to those places. Next!
So Doc, the problem is I poop every morning at 8 a.m.
That's good, so what's the matter?
I wake up at 9 a.m.
Alright, I have bad news and I have worse news. The bad news is you have 24 hours to live.
What's the worst news?
I meant to tell you yesterday. My bad.
Bruh, you had 1 job. Sloppy work. Try again. Absolutely perfect. You're well on your way to becoming a good doctor. Thanks for getting here so fast, doctor. No problem, sir. So what seems to be the... Doc, what's wrong? Wait, Doc! Doc, where are you going?